I rolled out of bed, boots hit the ground. Sun's barely up, but trouble's hanging around. Truck won't start, boss man's on my case, but this old boy's done had enough today. It's a great day to whoop somebody's ass. Don't push me, boy, you know I ain't made of glass. I got a short fuse and you're stepping on the gas. Yeah, it's a great day to whoop somebody's ass. Last night at the honky-tonk, some fool got loud, talking big like he's king of the crowd. He don't know this ain't my first rodeo. I can throw down, it's time to go toe-to-toe. It's a great day to whoop somebody's ass. I'm a country boy, don't test me, I'll pass. You talk too much, but you ain't got no class. Yeah, it's a great day to whoop somebody's ass. South, respect runs deep, but cross that line and you're in too steep. We don't look for fights, but we don't walk away. We'll stand tall, come whatever may. It's a great day to whoop somebody's ass. I've been through hell and I've earned my pass. Keep messing around, I'll put you on blast. It's a great day to whoop somebody's ass. So if you see me riding down these back roads, no, I ain't looking for trouble, but I carry a load. You best respect or you'll learn real fast that it's a great day to whoop somebody's ass.